Wagwan, it's your boy, Doughboy. I'm back with another one, but man, we got a reaction video, man. Reaction video, man. It's a little something different, man. But this is it's a snowstorm ain't messing with me. You know, I heard this snippet on IG, and I'm not even gonna lie, it cranks so far what I heard on IG. But you know, all snippets be sounding better than the real song, though. Excuse me, y'all. But you know what I'm saying? I think this guy's from Southeast DC, if I'm not mistaken. He got some songs on YouTube already. I think he goes by Lil Snow. But for this song, he changed it to Snowstorm. Well, I'm not even gonna lie, man. The snippet I heard, man, it was cranking, man. It was cranking. But you already know the drill, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that, man. Give me a 3K subs, man. Help me so I can help y'all. You feel me? Help me so I can help y'all. You feel me? But yo, the song is Snowstorm Ain't Messing With Me, man. I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion on this, man. And I'm gonna let y'all know what I think, man. Don't forget. Oh, I forgot to ask y'all how y'all doing today, man. I hope y'all doing good, man. Hope everything going good for y'all, man. But yo, let's get into it, man. Snowstorm ain't messing with me.
Hey, Jude.
Please, God.
Man, bitch.
You niggas ain't fucking with me. Nah, for real.
Man, you niggas ain't fucking with me. Everywhere that I go, know they thumping with me. I can fuck up your street, I can fuck up a beat. A nigga jive like you stuck in the street. My eyes so cold, I don't know what to think. I told that little nigga he don't wanna run into me. Put spec on your street, then pull up a 3. And I'm out of purse, got me fighting my sleep. Dreams about dying, I don't wanna go to sleep.
Alright, I'm not even gonna lie. First, like, his flow is crazy. Like, he the way he just jumped on the beat, you know what I'm saying? The way he just attacked the beat was crazy, you know what I mean? He definitely knows what to do with this beat, you know what I'm saying? And then down the line, he just said that I be high off perks, I be fine in my sleep, you know what I'm saying? All my jam heads, all my former jam heads, man, y'all know what he's talking about, man, for real. But you know what I'm saying? The beat, I like beats like this, you know what I'm saying? This beat reminds me of like a cold, like a cold winter night, you know what I'm saying? It's a cold winter night and you're driving home by yourself, you know what I'm saying? And like you got the heat on, you got the heat cranking, you know what I'm saying? But you got your jacket all the way zipped up and you just turn this song on. Well, let me play this though, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. I'm messing with this, y'all. Already messing with it.
Having up all night, selling up in the damn. Johnny's knocking the call and they ain't fucking around. Niggas mad cause I'm eating, they leaking like shit. Put dog on whoever who play with this shit. I know one nigga can't stay away from that fit. I know another nigga that ain't never did shit. Niggas don't stand on business, just running they list. You don't want me to get mad.
Damn, he said, I know one dude that ain't never did nothing. Then he said, dudes ain't never stand on business, they just running their lips. Man, that's true, man. Most of the time, dudes they don't be standing on business. They just be running their lips for real. That's facts, man. That's facts. He's spitting that. He's talking that talk, yo. He's talking that talk, man. Let's get it.
Cause you know how I get. Upgrading my guns, I'm toting that shit. No regular shit, all fullies and sticks. On top of this bitch, that's 4-5 Vicks. I chase shit down, put shit on they niggas be running from me, I don't be running from them. I'm a real ass creep, I know how I get 'em. I ain't even gon' stress when I catch 'em on pin 'em. I'm trying to overkill 'em, I ain't just trying to hit 'em. When I get in that mood, I be feeling that rhythm. I told her stop moving, she fucked with my rhythm. Pockets on me, balls, rocks in my den. No bitch trying to go cause she know I'm that nigga. I ain't rob a nigga in a minute, been stuck in the kitchen. I ain't rob a nigga in a minute, been stuck in the kitchen. You already know how the fuck I be getting. I be standing on business and ducking the sin. The man doing time, we ain't doing no snitch. Ain't no cap in this shit, we real life. Switching up, but I been through that fit. Feeling this bad nigga. But I'ma keep getting this money. Don't let nigga think shit sweet, leave him stiff like a mummy. No nigga could play me like dumb. Cause I only hoes and it's about the same size as an onion.
Yo, I'm not even gonna lie, yo. What kind of, you got some crazy, what's that? That's that P. You know what I'm saying? That's that ARP right there, nigga, allegedly. I don't know what kind of shit, yo. These niggas be having the crazy ulterior in the hood, bro. If y'all niggas want to be beefing with these niggas, bro, yo, stay out the way, son. You got it, big boy. You got it, son. You got it.
Man, you niggas ain't fucking with me everywhere I go. They
Double on me.
I can fuck up your street, I can fuck up a beat. A nigga jive like you stuck in the streets. My eyes so cold, I don't know
Dirty
the
street.
told that little nigga he don't wanna run into me. Put spec on your street, then pull up a 3. And I'm out of purse, got me fighting back sweet. Dreams about dying, I don't wanna go to sleep. I've been up all night, selling up in the down. Junkies knocking the call and they
He said, I've been up all night selling up and it down. Yo, that's crazy.
fucking around. Niggas mad cause I'm eating, they leaking like shit. Put dog on whoever who play with this shit. I know one nigga can't stay away from that shit. I know another nigga that ain't never did shit. Niggas don't stand on business, just running they lit. You don't want me to get mad cause you know how I get. Upgrading my guns, I'm toting that shit. No regular.
He said, you don't want me to get mad because you know how I get. He said, I upgraded my guns. I be toting that shit. Yo. This guy Snowstorm or Lil Snow, whatever. He's going in, man. He's going in, man. Man, these rappers in the city, man, they be actually rapping, son. None of this mumble. Actually rapping, man.
Shit on fullies and sticks. One tap of this bitch that's 4-5 Vicks. Man, you niggas ain't fucking with me everywhere I go. Know that thumper with me. I can fuck up your street, I can fuck up a beat. A nigga jive like you stuck in the streets. My eyes so cold, I don't know the thing. I told that little nigga he don't wanna run into me. Put spec on your street, then pull up a 3. And I'm out of purse, got me fighting back sweet. Dreams about dying, I don't wanna go to sleep. I've been up all night, selling up in the down. Junkies knocking the call and they ain't fucking around. Niggas mad cause I'm eating, they leaking like shit. Put dog on whoever who play with this shit. I know one nigga can't stay away from that shit. I know another nigga that ain't never did shit. Niggas don't stand on business, just running they lit. You don't want me to get mad cause you know how I get. Upgrading my guns, I'm toting that shit. No regular shit on fullies and sticks. One tap of this bitch that's 4-5 Vicks.
He walked on this shit.
Hi, I'm an
yo.
OTR Solutions client, and I'm